Here's a very quick guide on doing some basic keyword research to see which particular terms, phrases and keywords are searched on in Google. So to find the tool we're going to use, if you just go to google.co.uk or google.com, put in Google keyword and then do a search. And what we get is the first one here. It's this adwords.google.co.uk we're looking for. So click through there and that takes us to the actual tool. Here we go. Right, firstly you need to consider the type of product you're actually looking for, the keyword you're looking to use. Are you going to be aiming your product towards the UK or America or any particular place, or could it be anywhere? If it's going to be UK, it should already say results are tailored to English United Kingdom. If you're selling something potentially to the whole of the world, if you click on that link there, all countries and territories, this will do the search then for the whole of the world. So if we put in here a particular phrase, so I'll just use reptile as an example. You can put more than one, so I could also put snake in there. You can do lots of these if you want to. Use synonyms, so that will show you any other phrases that are very similar, and then you'll just need to put a quick code in here. Whatever was in green there, you'll need to actually type in, so PCWYL, and then hit get keyword ideas. So that then goes away, does a quick search and comes back with the results. So here, these, if they're not in order, you can actually just click the global search volume and it will be in order there. So you can see that global, so obviously that's worldwide, snake gets 11,100,000 searches per month. The local search volume, this is looking at where you are. So if you're in the UK, this is saying that for snake would had in January 13.6 million searches. So as you come down these, you'll see poisonous snake, it didn't have enough data in the UK, but there were 27,000 worldwide. So you come down, pick another one. Reptile accessories, 12,100 in the UK, 8,100 worldwide. So it just gives you a very good idea if there is a particular area that you're looking into to decide whether to create an ebook or something. It gives you a very basic idea as to whether that is something worth doing. I mean, if for example you were doing something, I don't know, you particularly wanted to write something about snake lizards. Now you might decide here that in the UK there's not enough data, so very few searches for the month of January, and worldwide there were only 390 people searching for that. So you may decide that that's not a good enough topic to actually write an ebook on or create a website because there's not enough people looking for that. But obviously if you were doing something on snakes, reptiles, corn snakes, lots of people searching for that. Now we'll have to at some stage look at the fact that obviously if you were just writing a book for snake, actually optimizing a website for the word snake is going to be very, very difficult because there'll be a lot of competition. You can get an idea on the competition of advertisers, and that'll be sort of similar for websites by looking here. If that is completely shaded in, then it's a very competitive keyword. So I mean, snake copperhead, I don't know if that is that a copperhead snake, for example. That's obviously less competitive as you see it down there. There's better ways of checking this, and we can look at that in another video. But at least this gives you an idea that if you were looking to get into a particular area, are the people searching for that? Are they looking for the information? And if you decide they are, then that is something you could consider as your project or your ebook. So I hope that gives you an idea on how to check out these keywords with the Google AdWords keyword tool.